Hi, it's Joe Wiessner, Joe Wiessner Realty, with a just listed property of the day in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. We're at 132 Centura. Andrea LaFontaine is the listing agent, and Andrea is a terrific agent who works with my company, and you could make your appointments to see this property through Andrea. Give her a call today up here. Centura is great. It's a gated community, and Andrea has all the details about it, and I'm going to let her talk to you now about those.
Yeah, so we have an excellent first floor condo, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, really gorgeous natural light that comes in here. We have access to the outside common areas from the condo. Parking is underground in a garage, and your visitors can be there. You get 2 parking spaces along with it. The HOA Association offers a pool, which is in walking distance, tennis courts, and a clubhouse.
This property is really interesting to me because when you pull into the gated community, you feel like there's nobody around. And that's, if you really want that quiet kind of feel, this is the condo for you. The HOA fees are $809 a month, and it covers all the exterior maintenance with the property, plus the natural gas baseboard hot water heat is included, and that's really, really nice. Have amenities all around the community, feels like nobody is here. If you love this video, make sure you subscribe and give us a like as well, and share this with all the people that might want to live here at Centura, and you could get a hold of Andrea, and we had that number, and we'll post it again up here that way. So this property has all kinds of upgrades, and we're going to take a tour right now, and maybe Andrea and I will walk together and we'll share all those with you, so stay tuned. So this is the courtyard area here. It's like nobody here, and it's really, really private. You have these spectacular magnolia trees here, and you have the fruit coming, and it's just, gives you a little bit of a taste of what this property is all about. So this is 132 Centura. The security starts at the front gates, and it continues on here. Double lock. You have the code pad here to alert the person that you want to see to let you in. And this is the unit right here. Lower level, which is great. Everybody wants that. 132. This is a 2 to 3 bedroom property. This weight room, you could use this as a bedroom if you wanted to. It's got the Anderson windows, and that's throughout the entire property. It's got the flooring, which is this engineered wood in both of those rooms. You got this gorgeous tile here in the foyer, and you can see that there's a lot of headroom. Out this way, you have a screened porch, and the cellar has some stuff in there right now, but this could be a real nice Mediterranean patio, and that's something that's screened, and that could be used all spring and summer long. You can see the gas fireplace and the bookshelves and the built-ins here, real nice, recessed lighting, everything you need. Making our way to the more fine finishes of this property, check out this bathroom. You have the 2-tone tile set up on the walls. You have this turquoise and patterned tile on the wall that's mirrored. You have these very large rectangular 12 by 24 tiles on the floor. This is something that you would see right out of a magazine. The seller's already taken care of this for you. Master bedroom is more the same. We'll call this bedroom number 2, but this is the master. You can see that it's humongous. It's got the hot water baseboard heat, and that heat is included in the condo fee that is $809 every month. Huge walk-in closet. Seller has the built-ins. You could see self-explanatory on how much stuff you could store in there. And this bathroom, lovely white tile. You have this really heavy shower door, and check out that tile. You have the stacked subway tile on both sides, and then the third wall has this really Arabic, lovely design. It's simply spectacular. Built-in vanity here, furniture grade. I mean, this property is really first class. This next room, this was a bedroom, so this could be the 3rd bedroom. The seller had taken this partition wall out. You could put that back if you want, but you see how it opens it up. You could put a dining room table in here, nice seating area. Everything is really tight. The seller has her little home office that way, and it opens to the back courtyard, which is nothing but nature. This kitchen, wow. It's got the lovely countertops here. You can see that it's bright white. These drawers have the dovetails top end, and the cabinets are soft touch, which is really, really nice. It's the U-shaped counter here in the cooking area. You have stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets, and you have another example of architectural splendor with the tile work here. Check out this backsplash design coupled with this. Goes all the way to the ceiling, really, really custom, really top notch. And you can see that the hardware, everything in this kitchen is first class. So Centura, this is a fabulous complex, and this unit does not disappoint. It has all kinds of amenities. The trim work is great. The kitchen tile, the tile everywhere, the flooring, everything is spectacular. And we'd like you to, of course, subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you see here, give us a thumbs up and make sure you share this with all your family and friends, and give Andrea a call at this number up here for your own private tour. Tell me what your thoughts are, Andrea, after walking through.
I love this condo. I think it's great, even if you are married and have kids. We have close access to Philadelphia and to Atlantic City. All the major roadways are here, but you're tucked in and it's so quiet and peaceful that you have so much privacy you don't even realize where you are. We also have a screened in front porch, which is amazing to sit at, have your morning coffee and just relax.
I mean, it feels really, really secure here.
It does.
The layers of security at this property, being gated, being in Cherry Hill. I mean, if you're looking for that kind of privacy, this is the perfect property for you. And as always, Andrea LaFontaine and Joe Wiessner, we want to see you at the settlement table.